And I was talking to my wife a couple of minutes ago, and she says, this is the best tool we have, and we just can't run the company without it, because we have joined big projects. Like we recently finished a big historic renovation. It was run by the hour. It was a big project, over $100,000, everything by the hour. And due to the amount of details that the new work had, the amount of restoration that we had to do, and the high levels of expectations that the architects had, both us and the builder, we agreed that it was impossible to get a fixed number. So we decided to do it by the hour. And it's a peace of mind for me, because if the client has any questions about, Vinny, I'm not sure if you had that many guys on the other day, for example, I can show the app with the geofence location and there is no further question. So I think it's a peace of mind for us.